A very good morning to you all. Thank you very much for joining me. Today is Puerto Plata. We want to see what you can do outside, but mostly I want to explore the waterfall. Let's see. Let's hope we can do something. Yay! So guys, I found a trip to Damajagua, the waterfall. I really want to have fun. My friends who I was supposed to go with are not here right now, so we have to I have to go and find out if they'll be there or not. But in the meantime, let's just enjoy. I know it's going to be a beautiful place. I've seen the pictures on YouTube and on TripAdvisor, so let me just see whatever is there. Let's go, guys. Such a beautiful place, but it's a little late, but I just want to find out what is the next trip that is going to the waterfall. So yeah, a lot of people right here, a lot of tourists, and I am that solo traveler, you know. So let's see how it goes on the other side. Yung helmet, the life jacket. So yeah, just change and then we're going to the next place. I don't know where we're going next, but yeah, I'm ready to go with my Kenyan flag. Let's go! terrible. Coming from there.
Arriba, arriba. 5 more minutes, Dominican time, eh?
Tired, but good.
He said 2 hours.
It's amazing, guys, but you have to be physically fit. Huh?
We tired.
We got to the first top. It's actually the top of the mountain. It's been such a long walk. Oh my god, I'm so tired. I'm sweating all over. But yeah, I still have my water. I don't know if it will sustain me until the other side, but it will be at the river, it will be at the waterfall. So I'm ready for it. Guys, you need to subscribe to this channel because we are going places just for you. And there's a horse somewhere there. I wish it was for
Dominican ambulance over here. Yeah.
Yeah, let's take a rest, guys, and then we will go to the next level. Cheers. Guys, you know how much I love this water, but I have to let it go because this is the last point where we drink our water. I'll show you the house close by. Just a little. Hopefully you can see it properly. Yeah, it's somewhere there. And I'm supposed to drop this water bottle.
We down.
Okay.
Down. We walk. Hola, hola.
Oh, God, it's scary, but very nice. So nice.
Hola.
Hola! I can't do myself.
How we doing? Hola.
It's amazing. Hola! Oh my God. Let's go. Wait. Don't go. Don't go, Omega. Wait for me.
Come on, walk in the middle. No problem.
Okay.
We shallow, we shallow. We shallow, we shallow. Yeah.
Okay, one here.
Over here. Come on.
It's crazy. Guys, this is such an experience. Oh my God. But I'm such a child that cannot swim. Oh my God. It's amazing, it's amazing, it's amazing. Woo.
Good. You said the last one. Over here.
Guys, it's been such an experience. I don't even know what to say. It's been such an experience. I am very soaked up, completely wet. But yeah, it was amazing. I enjoyed it. So now we walk back to the park. It's like 20 minutes, I'm told. Yeah, but the place looks really amazing. Oh my god, it's great. You have to try it, especially if you know how to swim, or you will enjoy. My god, it's amazing. So here it's better because it's not a hill or anything. But yeah, we are tired, but the water really helped to cool us down. My guide was amazing, and I was glad also to see cows around here. I don't know where they went, but I know they're not there. I don't know if it's the same place also. But guys, I'm still amazed by the craziness of this place. It's after 3. I'm supposed to be at work by 6, and I want to load something on the internet somewhere. But the package for us includes food, so we'll still go and find out what we can do. Or I can take out food, go to the port and do some internet work, yeah? Guys, I am done with the trip. It's been amazing. It's been amazing. So this is like a bridge. It's really beautiful. And the water is right here next to us. There are horses around here. It's just beautiful to watch. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous. I'm done with the experience, so we're going back to the ship and also trying to see if I can get a little internet. I am tired, but I have my food right now, so oh, I don't know. This story is very different. This day was very different. Amazing. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Let's continue being part of this channel.